Hi, and welcome to Cassadol Equine. Are you an equine practitioner looking for simple and intuitive ways to do your medical records and invoicing, all at an affordable price? If so, you came to the right place. We're going to go through high level and show you some of the features within Cassadol so you can see how you can utilize it within your practice. Of course, we're not going to be able to cover it all, so we can schedule a demo or you can email in with any questions you may have. Let's go ahead and get started. This first tab here is just a dashboard. This is going to be where you're going to be able to access some of the common metrics you might want to see within your practice. The doctor's office is a centralized location within Cassadol, so you can create a work list of any outstanding cases you have. Then you can simply click on the patient and access their medical records and invoicing and any other details with that patient. Now, of course, you can do single invoices, but if you're doing a farm call and you have multiple patients that you're going to see and you're planning on doing all of the same service, why not use the rapid billing feature? This allows you to do just that, bill out multiple patients for the same service. And of course, don't worry, you can still handle those oh while you're here situations. So if you're going out vaccinating 10 horses and there's that one that you need to check his teeth, you can simply still handle that whole workflow right from within rapid billing. In contacts, access all of the details of the contact. You can create one-off statements, you can email them, you can view all of the options, you can email the statement run or print, whatever the communication preference might be. You can also see a list of all of the patients associated with that contact. In the ledger, you're going to be able to access all of the financial activity. Now let's go over to patients. When you click on the patient, you're going to be able to see all of the same details as you do when you access the patient from the doctor's office. You'll have all of the details, be able to assign a boarder, a trainer, see all of the split ownerships. In ownerships, this is where you can add new owners or change the ownership percentage. Medical records, you can access and search all of the medical records. When it has this link, this is stating that that medical record has been made on to an invoice. So if we click on it, we can scroll over here and see that this note is bold, and that is indicating that there's a note here that has been transferred over from the note of the invoice to the medical records. Of course, you still have options to add medical records other than straight from the invoice. You can select to add new note, or if you want to attach a file, you can do so simply by uploading an image or video straight from your desktop. You can also email or print the medical history report, or print vaccine report or email. You can also access all of the reminders, which can be manually added straight from the Reminders tab, or you can set up the reminder with the service so that it automatically adds to the medical records and to the reminder run. You can also create prescriptions straight from within the Prescriptions tab. Now let's move on to Invoices. In the invoices, you're going to be able to easily search and filter any of the invoices. So for instance, we can go to this funnel filter and status and look at all of our closed invoices, or all of our paid invoices, or all of our in progress invoices. In reports, this is where you can access your statement runs, interest runs, reminder runs, all of your general reporting, such as your controlled drug log, your daily audit log. On the second page here, we have your vaccine activity, payment report, production summary, all of the key reports that vets seem to like and need. Now let's go over to the settings. In this practice settings, you're going to be able to put all of the information for your practice. And this is going to be what's stamped onto your statements and medical record history reports and all of those reports you may send out. In the users, you can create new users, assign roles, and select what kind of status they are in, and so forth. In services, you'll be able to create or edit any of your services. In here, just simply fill out all of the details, select if it's a controlled drug or a vaccine. You can choose to prompt for quantity or any of these other options that will automatically trigger once you add that service to an invoice. You're able to add default notes or default prescription instructions and create bundles. You're also able to set up your email within Cassadol, so all of your reports and statement runs and reminder runs can come straight from your email. If you want to utilize our integrated payments, you can fill out the Clover Connect application here, and this is going to allow you to easily reconcile all of your payments and be able to utilize our payment portal. If you're currently using a software, you can go into data conversion and request a data conversion. This allows you to be able to not have to start from scratch. So all of your patients, medical records, and the clients can be transferred straight from your current software into Cassadol. In the reference data, this is going to be where you can customize all of the drop downs within your Cassadol. So if you want to add extra species or breeds or user types or note types, for instance, you can do so here. Now, I know that that was a real quick overview, so I would love to get the chance to be able to jump on a demo and talk more about our offline mode, our payment portal, our lab integrations, and anything else that you may be interested in. I hope to talk to you soon. Thank you.